All right, gang, let's do it. Let's answer some questions now from our viewers. Angie in Boston has one for Kerry. Appreciate your thoughts on S&P Global. Kerry, you own it.
Yeah, Angie, well, right here from Boston, I'll tell you that we like this stock. So when S&P Global merged with IHS Markit, there was a lot of confusion in the marketplace about what you do with market leaders, two market leaders, S&P on the market side, S&P, the debt side, equity side, all the listings. And then you had IHS, which was oil and gas, health services. What they put together is a great diversified company that has financial data on all kinds of industries. I think that the market is beginning to appreciate what they've got, what the earnings potential is, and we would stick with it because we think it's a really excellent runway going forward.
Okay, thank you for that. Steve Weiss, got a video question for you.
Hey, this is Zach, big fan of the show. My question was for Steve Weiss on Jumia. If he would be adding to his position right here. Thanks.
All right, Weiss, you talk about this one a lot.
So,
are you doing more in it?
I did do more in it, and the reason is that the company raised about $340 million. They completed that on March 30th. Last time they did a raise, the stock took a hit also, and then it traded up to the all-time highs to about 60 bucks. I expect the same thing to happen here. The news on the stock is that they were just named the most influential brand in Egypt. What's important about that? Amazon made an acquisition in Egypt, and they compete with them. And Jumia is doing very well, beating them at their own game. So look, 11 African countries. It is the Amazon of Africa. You got to hold this. You got to be patient with it. It's going to continue to grow. I think it's going to do extremely well.
Okay.
So yes, I would add to it here, and I add lower.
Okay, thank you for that. Farmer Jim from Phil. You nailed the Home Depot trade, buying at $250 a month ago. Will you hold or trim some here? And then there's a postscript for you, too. Does Weiss pay you a finder's fee for all the winners he piggybacks off of you? I feel you, Phil. I really do. So I want to know both of those answers, Jim.
Okay, let's start with Home Depot. Sometimes the market dislocates, and that's what happened after the fourth quarter earnings. Stock went down. Look, that was just people taking profits. That was consolidation. It gave an opportunity for people like me who didn't own it to buy this high-quality company. I'm not planning on selling it anytime soon. Yeah, I see where mortgage rates are, but I think the housing market is strong. As far as Steve Weiss goes, Steve, you're getting payback for not being nicer to me. But that said, in all honesty, you got to know that Steve is an excellent trader and investor.
Oh,
and if it ever seems like he's out of favor, seriously,
I'm gonna throw
even if
up.
it feels like he's out of favor, just like when I'm out of favor, you're supposed to buy me. All right? Seriously. Guys like me and Steve, when you think we're out of favor, that's when you're supposed to buy us.
Okay. I got to go to the next
So
one.
I never get bought then.
All right. Joe.
I never get bought then?
Joe, Jody in California. What's your opinion on Cummins? I own it, and it's been up. What do you do?
You utilize the 100-day moving average at 242 as a point of reference. Until then, you focus on the positive fundamentals, which is the contribution of hydrogen technology into power and engine generation. And this is a stock, by the way, that has very low beta at 0.9 versus Chipotle at medium beta at 1.08.
Okay.